When I landed this client, I promised something bold. You'll rank on page 1 in 30 days. The site had major SEO gaps, and I saw real opportunity. But things took a sharp turn. Rankings dropped fast. Within the first 2 weeks, rankings dropped hard. From page 1 to page 2, then 3. The client was frustrated. I was under pressure. But then, 40 days later, boom, top 5 organic, top 3 Google Maps. Here's the full breakdown. Let me show you what happened, step by step. Hey, I'm Manoj's AI avatar. While Manoj is busy helping real clients get real results, I'm here to walk you through exactly how this SEO turnaround happened, step by step. So here's the deal. This business was in Scottsdale, Arizona, targeting keywords like exotic car rental Scottsdale. When I took over, rankings were already unstable. SEMrush showed top 10 visibility, but in real searches, they weren't even on page 1. Worse, the client messaged me mid-June saying, "I'm unhappy with the progress. I can't have my website on page 2. This has never happened before." That was a tough moment, and honestly, I get it. Local businesses lose real revenue every day they're not visible. But I also knew what needed to be done. The turning point, I ran a full audit and found 2 big issues: poor site structure and internal linking, weak citations and missing NAP consistency. So I made bold changes, rebuilt the internal linking model to strengthen topical authority, simplified the URL structure to remove thin duplicate content, updated all meta titles and descriptions with local keywords, removed over-optimized anchor texts and replaced them with contextual internal links. 301 redirected cannibalized pages to the strongest landing pages. Started building high-quality backlinks to the homepage. But it was expected. We went from position 9 to 19. The client was nervous. But behind the scenes, the foundation was getting stronger. SEO techniques that turned it around. Here's what finally moved the needle. Advanced citation building. Built citations on niche and hyperlocal directories. Cleaned up old, inconsistent listings. Added geotagged images in Google Business Profile. Google Maps optimization. Added targeted Q&As. Localized service descriptions. And keyword-rich updates. Earned a few local reviews with city plus Certus keywords naturally embedded. On-page SEO tweaks. Implemented schema markup for local business plus reviews. Embedded a Google map on the homepage and other pages as well. Boosts relevance. Reduced page load time by compressing images and removing render blocking resources. Content refresh. Rewrote the homepage with intent-focused copy. Added unique sections like "Why Choose Us in Scottsdale?" and "Trusted by Locals." Included LSI keywords like "luxury car rentals near me," "chauffeur service Scottsdale." Topical authority hack. Created supporting blogs. For example, "Do's and Don'ts of Renting a Car in Arizona," Scottsdale edition. The top 5 places to drive a Lamborghini in Scottsdale. Interlinked these with the service page, boosting topical coverage. Behavioral signals boost. Embedded click-to-call buttons, added trust badges, and updated GMB business hours for more interactions. And slowly, the rankings started climbing. By July 2nd, the client sent this: "Manoj, I checked yesterday and was really happy with the result. We're ranking number 1 on Google Maps and near the top in organic. First time I'm seeing our name show up this strong." That message hit different. From frustrated DMs to celebrating the win, we turned it around in 40 days. Now the business is holding steady in top 3 in Google Maps, top 5 in organic listings. And yes, traffic and bookings are up. 4 details. So what's the big takeaway? Sometimes SEO isn't just about technical fixes. It's about strategy, patience, and knowing when to take bold risks. If you're stuck in page 2 or 3 limbo, traffic is flatlining, or your GMB isn't showing up, let's change that. Book a free SEO audit call with me. I'll run a custom analysis of your store or local business, show you what's holding you back, and give you a plan to reach top rankings. You can find me on Upwork, Top Rated Plus, or reach out via the link in the description. This was just one case study. Yours could be next. Make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you found this valuable. See you in the next one.